Hello everyone, you've been survived if you bought out sizing but I can go YouTube channel zonga. Place you point up up using it to videos ke bare zonga but plan up in slam part. In the next that is like a part 2 zonka exercise 5.3 zonka chapter 5 mom. The new boy hey nice that you could number 10 menta next number 11. The number 11 ko ang kumuhingi. Kung if the sum of the first n term of an EP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That is S1. What is the sum of first two term? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, the tenth, and the nth term. Kung ang kumnuhin nga kasing kalihan if the sum of the first n term, kada ka sum, jang utau n term, sum of n term kamu di ulam di ununut term. Ka sum means ka total jang ununut term, ulam di ka sum jang first term, ka sum jang third term, jang fourth term, 7 ne, 8 ne, 10 ne, whatever it is. Kandai kat no, kandai kat ni. That means you don't come use formula ring. Use ka use ka ni. Okay. Kung kumno hani kasing kilide, kung what is the first term? That is S1. Kamot iyo hani what is the first term? Kung kasing kili, we know something about the first term. Okay, first term kamot iyo. First term means jong OAP, suppose nga to. I2, I4, I6, I8, I10. So first term, kanu ka first term hangni, we know that A1 is the first term. They hangni kamot iyo, kaong kasing what is the first term? That is A1. That is kamot that is kansalong S1 ru. Kamot iyo hangni kansalong S1 ru. Teman simple term ngilap ong ba A1 equal ka S1. How pa different ong ma? Teman ta ngitip A1 di kan no di 2. Okay? Teman tak kasam pada kamot iyo A1 temot kat no udan ha A1 din namdai ka first position udan kat no udan R din namdai temo ai sam pada mod iyo mod ka total kamot ka total barok kat dengan lakhan din namdai kum ka A1 ka sam jong A1 di kat no di 2 hi din namdai if it's 2 bad then I can say ba A1 but S1 kilong kum jo that means ladang ayo ya ka A1 obviously nga ala banyo ya ka S1 din namdai okay I hope so plus 2 ha tu the next pick om ya. What is the sum of the first two term? Kamot iyo, kung pada ini kasing kali, kasam. What is the sum of the first two term? First two terms jong ini tip jong AP day iyo. The first two terms jong AP jong day A1 plus A2. Sum means plus m. Kasam jong kini atli ki two term. That is uni u A1 but uni u A2 kadai kan no kumhang ni kadai kan 6. Tika sum jong hakan ni kasing kali ko bala ong pada kadai kan no means was 2 di kan no. Kasam jong kini atli jong S2 that means kan long kan no okay I hope so pila so to aron do sam jong ka two terms that means jong ka second term along first but second term then ya plus to ko no ka jing klibian ko what is the second term ka second term ka di no that is A2 then obviously ladang iwat ka S2 dan kam hem A2 root din namdai tum ka sam ka I mean what is the second term that is A2 din namdai kala ong ko ong biang kamo similarly find the third the 10 and the nth kung similarly what ya ka third term what ya what day ka ya ka 10 term and also nth term means kala amde kanu ka term nth term okay teman tahang ni tip kat kong kazingli ba USN ka sum jong kini ba aro S1 A1 A2 A3 ka dekat no 4n minus n square where ngitip kat kum kani kazingli we know we OA baning kong badan udah no A1 that is S1 ngila am ma ta zaka jong n onde u sum dai jong first term minus 1 whole square equals to 4 minus 1 which is 3 tengok ong AP kumba ong AP mentan ladang ngitip yu A1 yu S1 ro ni tep balai ngitip amal kilong kum ju can I not say but since A1 therefore not since A1 equals to S1 amal balai yu both of them are the same then they yeah okay dengan to only 3 teman tangan kam sa S2 dalam day ka sum ng second term. Sum ng second term day 4 I2 hangi minus 2 holding square that is 4 2 are 8 minus 4 are 2 are 4 that is 4. Okay, teman tang layo ka sum ng ka second term that is 4. Okay, I hope so plus 2 around to. Teman ta pwedeng idang kam sa A2. Yung A2. Tadang what yung A2 kung baka to ang tayo nga laman o manta A1 plus A2 equals to S2. Then day where A1 nga latit, then day A1 day 3 plus A2 day kat no A2 day yan. Tip A2 tingin bo A2 equals to S2 day kat no day 4. Di uni nga laman na nasting ang A2 that is 4 minus 3. Dinam day 4 minus 3 am. Ada A2 jungin dekat no 4 minus 3 kan long 1. Dinam day baru A2 jungi dekat no day 1. Okay, I have supila su thua orang tu. That means kila yo A2 but yo A1. Dinam day kat kum utau EP. Dinam day okay. I hope supila su thua tekan ni kan demo kan ju kan ka jong mas example EP pinat kan fusi kan ni kong do. Okay. Temen tak pergi dan kam sa A there. Kasi klik ang ingi benawat you A3 ru to ang iwan ni natap di 1. Tahu A3 pada kalau kum no. Tadangi ka dan kam wat ka sum jong ka third term. Ka sum jong ka third term kan dei kum no. Tingin wat ka sum jong ka third term. So that bela you mengin wat ka A pet kum menta ngan wat ka ni. Menta ngada wat ka ni ngadan kam you A. Ngadan kam something ngadan kam you A. A1 plus A2 plus A3 equals to ka no S3. Didam dei kasam jong ka third term ngadan kami yo E3 temen tala da S3 ngatep dekat no E2 ta ngatep E1 ro ngatep the artly amang ni bangam tep the how will I find that ngadan kami yo S3 tingin what yo S3 that is kum no 4 to 3 minus 3 whole thing square therefore 3 a no 12 minus 3 a 9 tekan long kan no ni kan no answer jong kan dai 3 what yo S3 jong ni udai kan no S3 jong ni udai 3. Okay, I hope to class to around to. Demen tangi la lasuk aman wat yo A3. Lasuk man wat yo A3 tingi la put back A1 dekat no A1. A1 gadai. A1 day 3. A2 dekat no A2 day 1. A3 ngem. S3 pada day 3. The 3 plus 1 long no long 4. 4 plus A3 equals to 3. Kadang arah di kala negative. Kala no 3 minus 4 which is A3 dekat no A3 ni minus 1. I hope so class to around to. Okay, may confuse ang do. Then mentangi dan kam do yo A10. Dia mentangi dan kam yo A10. Pero ngina bane ko no mentang mo. Nahi bagi dan kam yo A10. Tengok ngi pihak to A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A9. Sa jrong ha ka samjung ni nam day. Then what you can do is you can use another format. La bane yo ni dan kam yo A pada ni dan kam yo A10. A10 day. Yo A10 ni dan kam. Tekan ni ka formula kadang sa kawe. That is S10 minus S9. Kamu juga kata S10 minus S9. Kamu let's see. Dia, yakini ki we ro sha phila ban use kani ka ju hi. Hang ni pe kum no pin use suppose man ta pin kam wa yo A2. Pin sim yo A2 pin sim S3 minus S2 balay pin AP. Kung kani ka kani example bang sim AP mentan. So let's see. Ngong kum no ngadan kam yo A10. So let's see mentan ngadan kam yo ngadan kam yo A5. Okay, let's see yung ngamtip yung A5 bu uditan. Tengok ang ngam no ngatip pada kasam yung gini kadika no. So let's say kasam yung fourth term but fifth term ngatip. Kasam means ang plus. So let's plus ikini siya. 2 plus 4 long 6 kalong 12 long 20. 20 din nabi adon to. The S4 dika no di 20, S5 pada day 30. Teman tengok ang kum no ngadan kami kay. Ngadan kami yung A5. Let's say ngadan kami yung A5. Tekum no finwat yung A5 fin shim. That is S3 or S5 sorry minus S4. Tekan long kanu S5 minus S4. S5 minus S4 tekan long 30 minus 20 dinam day. Teman tangan kami way A5 day S10. Tekan ayo am yung A5 udah M10. The same thing fila ban ni hang niru. Teman ta ngadan kam ta shwa yo S10 ba US 9 ngam tep am yung S10 ngam tep am yung S9. Tekan kam suk ingi ban wat pada day. S10 kan equal kan no 4 into 10 minus 10 square. 40 minus 100. That is equal to minus 60. Okay. Teman tahu S9 pada. 4 into kan 9 minus 9 square. Kalau equal to kan 49 akan 49 a 36 minus 99 a 81. The 36 minus 9 minus 81 sorry. That is ni simple yang sa 7 ni 11 kalong 5 kani kalong 4. That is minus you 45. Uhi minus sign tak ada. Teman-teman ayo S9 bar US you US9 bar S10. Dinam day dokumenta S10 ngalatem. S10 ni kat no S10 mentan minus 60. Dan minus jong jong niru dan minus ni jong jong ru. Okay ka formula ro kadon and kadon kaniru. The minus 60 minus long plus 45 minus plus long kano long minus and me answer minus that is can be 15. A10 jung yu dekat no minus 15. The same thing fila bani kan yu da ka fisung ka jrong palat am suppose men tangan ka ma di A3. Encim you can maaf encim S3 minus ya ubah kamrit. That is S2. The S3 ngatip hang ni, menengah kamuat de orang lawat sorry. Hang ni lawat dam. That is S3 di 3 minus S2 dekat no di 4. Dapat you minus 1. Pila ben kan kat tapi so thok mapi either this way or this way. Ka kam lingkot kan ni, tambah kan ni ka kam sok. Kan ni ka kam lingkot tambah kan ni ka kam sok. Kan ni kita ni pefin mi so thok, tambah fi practice kan sa 1 here automatically. Okay, I hope so class to to. Okay. The mental pati kasi kili kapat kot din na yo e3 root na yo minus 1. Ala ni na yo e10 root that is minus 15. Tidang sa so way pat way uta en. The shopping push uta en. You need to understand this concept very carefully. Hindi so to bhai kani. Ini concept. PE mentan wa ngi P. Hapo bangi wat ya Hapor bangi wat ya ke A3. Hapor bangi wat ya ke A3. Kalau kumno por bangi wat ya ke A3. Bet ba S3 ngishim am. Ni minus ya. Ngishim u number bakam here. Along bangi da plus u bakam here. Ya u bakam red. That means u less not. Then day. Teman ta ko mau AP. Ngashim menehang ni. Ngashim kat no ka total meneh ngashim 30. But 20 then day. Temen u kam red. U kam here. Then day. Na syaka ba red. Then day. Ko mau AP. Ngashim u ningkong ngashim shupo. Minus ya na u 8 kung tama. Tama kami minta tama kalong in that way if you see what I mean. Okay, minta pa dia, minta ngenda wat sa u en ngadan kam. To en ngitip pun no. Sn ngin minus u Sn minus 1 ngin. Bala you to Sn to it could be anything. Kung ba ap Sn could be anything. What? When ap what is that? Bit mo. In simple term when bata ap in terms of number when so 2 ba. Let's sing ngadan kam what as e5. Okay? Kung ba ap e5. Then you the video come what a5 in shim usn where n would be 5 minus u s honey shim 5 minus u 1 the pin s5 minus s4. The what we usually do ni wat kum ni hi am ikini ru denam dai ni wat ni shim u bakam he yo baret fi am yim shim s3 minus s5 s3 minus s1 ye ha shim u bakam ret kindet kakadaw kani kadeka format. Okay, that is sn minus Sn minus 1. It's very important. Ini kadai ka format. Eke bangin hang sulit mentan hi. Okay, I hope so pila so to. Temot o en jing la yo dekat tu. There I hope so pila so to. Tingin ni pois ka next question. That is the number 12. The number 12 pan ko no. The number 12 ini ko find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Ko ang no. Find kita ki sum. Jong kita ki sao totally ki positive integers. Positive integers means kum no ki belong positive. That means ki non positive sign not negative. Okay. Ki belong kum no divisible by 6. Ki belong kum no divisible by 6 means bala ben divide do 6. Dikani ka dinong question bangin ajuli syakman. Divisible by 6 kalong kum a komentar ong p. U a belong divisible by 6 1 a 6 then namne and next pada 6 2 a kum ta then namne 6 2 a 12 then namne and 6 3 a kan no 6 3 a sorry 18 then namne ter ni hak buat then namne divisible means ki bala ban divide then namne yo ni then mentang la yo ep ni yo namne ep nang ni la yo ep that is ep jungi di kum no ep jungi u first term day 6 second day 12 third day 18. Ko ang kumno sum, jang kita kisau totally ki positive, ka sum kamot is sum, kamot plus, mo jang kita kisau totally ki number, ki belong kumno, ki belong divisible da u a, belong divisible da u 6. The mentala ang sau totally, mentang na tip something. That means we know u a ki s 40. Where n unlong ka no n jungi, u n jungi kan mau unlong ka no unlong, sorry, 4. Ila tip un long sau po tulik that means hadu sau po unbon ang balong divisible na u 6 number ula bende ki hajar ni de ki ki number jukut ki number le ki bon ki number banang long divisible u 6 dai pang ba long gidan kam takat na tuli sau po tulik ki bede you positive. Okay, then mentang ini wat you that means in shin make a to formula ko mangisit le man po man ka po na mahaning im tip am last term dekat no. Okay, ta kadang in shin to formula 2a plus n minus 1 is into d. The menta S40 we don't know, that is only the ND40 divided by 2, that is 2. U A nitip, U A dekat no, U D 6 plus UN nitip 40 minus 1. What about U D? Do we know D? D, the difference again dekat no hi 6. Okay, dah. Uni book ni cancel sa 20, day 20, that is equal to 2 6 are 12 plus dengan sa no 39. 39 into 6. Okay, then 39 into 6. 6 9 akan no 6 9 are 54. 6 3 are 18, 19, 20, 21 into 23. 23 equals to 20, nearly 12 plus 2 3 4. Again plus about 12 long akan no long 6 4 2 246. Okay, long 246. Kita long 20 but 246. Uni boning have multiply the 20. Okay, the multiply 0 6 are 0, 0 4 0, 0 2 are 0. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 9, 2 2 are 4. 0 2 9. 4 9 4 9 2 0. Mut kasam jang kita ki 40 kita ki sao photo lagi positive you ki dikat no. Kisam ter had opposite S40. Kendai kat no S40 kendai 4 9 2 0 means ka total jang ki. Okay, I have to plus it on to. And first ka next that is ka number you number 13. Kita number 13 pat ka ong no. Ko ong find the sum of the first 15 multiples of it. Ko ong no find ka sum means ka total jang kita ki khasan tali ki belong ko kani kalong extreme kani ki ong divide kani pada ki multiple means bala multiply hangi kalong ko ni kalong uni ulong divisible u 6 ulong multiply ben divide u dinam de divide but multiply take dan jingin de dan what u multiples of 8 multiples of 8 1 8 8 2 had 8 15 then 15 tamo khasan tali okay teman tang lat u n hangi u n jingin di kat nomor u ep ring latem u ep jingin di kat no 8 at 16 unde 24 and susu on hadu SU S10 mo ni A10 or A15 sorry A15 mo idan kam hadu A15 teman tak mong ini wa ikani idan kam u S10 or S15 that is equal to n jungi ngatep n jungi di kat no tu dengan thok syak formula banyak kelat I mean di teman tak way n di kat no 15 divided by 2 that is 2 u a jungi di 8 plus UN jungi di 15 minus 1. UD jungi pada dekat no di 8. Okay. Teman-teman ini thok ni 15 divided by 2. That is 2 8 akan no. 2 8 are 16 plus 15 minus u long no 14 into 8. Okay, 14 into 8 long no 4 8 4 akan no 8 4 are 32. 8 1 are 8 plus u long 11. Day teman-teman ini 15 by 2 16 plus 112. There's 16 plus 16 long 8 128. That is equal to 15 to 2 1 to 8. So ni ni ala aman cancel no menta 128 then cancel no more to 6 to 4. Then menta di 64 into 15. 5 4 are 20. 5 6 are 30 plus long 32. That is 1 4 4 1 6 are 6 0 6 9. 900 and new mod ke S15 namun ka total jong ka S15 di ka no 960. I hope so piece 2 ekato it's very easy ma there I hope like catch there mintangin po ka next that is ka number you ka number 14 ka number 14 ko ang main find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Ko ang no find ka sum means ka total jong ki ipida jong kata ka sum between you 0 and 50 means u 0 hado san tho pen iya nga kata ka sum na nga plus kita tama kini datang jong ki maha number tingi te badan even and odd also then even kum u2 u4 kita odd pedi kum ki 1 u3 u5 and so on. Okay, teman tanya option okay teman ngitep hado 50 kinon kat no there ngitip 0 to 50 ba half kindi you chiteng kindi ki even but chiteng kindi ki on 50 tama 50 din nanti tama ada even kindi kat no even da chiteng in divide u atli along am divide u 2 you 50 tekan no kat no 2 5 that is 25 means absent liki even in absent liki odd teman tanang ni la yo nam yo n yes we got n teman tak kat kemudian simply number 14 yo un jungi dekat no 25 and up also ngila yo up jungi dekat no 1 u3 u5 hari no 7 and so on ginyat ki numbers ma tako angom no find the sum jungi ni dai tingin find SN kan ams 25 nilatip mun absent tali jong kita ki absent tali dai 25 divided by 2 that is 2 into 8 that is 1 plus u n day 25 minus 1 udi jong ni dekat no 3 minus 1, that is kat no 2. The 5 minus 3 long 2 here. Sum jungi day, or D jungi day, 2. That is 25 divided by 2. 2 1 are 2 plus 2 minus 1 sa kat no 24 into 2. Day, that is 25 divided by 2. Okay, then answer gani 2 plus 2 4 are 8, 2 are 4. Okay, ni kan long 50, 25, 2 into 50. Ni long 25. 25 into 25 long kan no long 625. Okay, I hope so. Pila so to around to. It's very easy. Okay, teman-teman. Or lani pila banne kumiro. How will you do that? How will you do? Nila ban use kato kaway ka formula. So how? Pinoma. Nila ban use kato kaway ka formula. Dongan pin AP. Nitip you 1, you 3, you 5. You last time nitip nam tip you last time pada. Last time jing ni kan no. After 1 50 to do a. Udi you even. Way short 50 to do a 49 to 49 do a. Uday you odd number. Tinggal lala ban use kan ni formula also. S25 equals to kan no. N divided by 2, that is A plus L. Okay, can come in cut. That is 25 divided by 2 equals to A. They got no 1 plus 49. Okay, 25 divided by 2 nearly 50. There can answer for me. Okay, I hope so. Piece of tour. I don't want to. It's not confusing to you. Okay, then press next. That is number 15. Number 15, but ka no kasi the number 15 kaong, a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: 200 rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 1250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day. Extra the penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? Kung ano kata contract kada bayad mo kata contract construction means kinang shna, okay? Some sort of. Tika ang construction job specifies a penalty for delay. Kamot you. Suppose mentang ang yung I contract ipi, okay? When shna. The ong ipi ang within she post ni pwede rin pindap ikan ni. Let's say ang tama within she post ni pwede rin pindap ikan ni. Lada pimla ang pindap within she post ni ang ipi kum no ngan odd ipi ngan kan no ngan ngalam no puding ka kat baka day mo at mga om no ngan odd ipi. And they ko no hani ka juhi ganiro of completion. For delay of completion means delay of completion kamoryo ba lalala pimla pendep at kung kata kapor bangala bu nam tajong p beyond a certain date as follows. Kung no rupees 200 for the first day. What ladapi you nakadiyaw baning kong ngan kat no ladapi shisngi haka shisngi chu piklet nta su shbu nta singa ong pish popsni pendep kat wei sni pada. Kong no dengan od na pi no aspa tingka. Tentang ong kat wei sni pita you biang pikam lap pendep kat wei sni pendep no kat arsni. Dengan od biang na pi kan od sakano sa aspa san po on second day. Ter PEM kat dang mi kisi kakiu kat no kani kakiu san po and so hamiro. Dekat tanang slam kakiu san po. Tementang nilatip you yeah. We know something. What is that? We know D. Whenever we know this, itip you D. And we have an EP also. Okay. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50. More than for the preceding day. Preceding day kamon ayu tasni kaba long kumamenen ni ang preceding day. Day before today kan, okay? That is yesterday, okay? Preceding kabut ba long kumbaong negative minus mo kaba menen, okay? I hope so is to succeeding pada mon plus mon ba kumla shine das ni la shine mo, okay? The ko no how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty. The ko kan no utau contractor udon kaman sale penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. Ko no uni contractor pada open stem hado lipos ni. So, kano tingkap pada udang kaman sale ledak lapan you hado lipo sni temen tanang ni na uing layo endrung layo. That is 30. Kan maam number of terms is number of days. It could be number of days. It could be anything. Wala benay uno no n. Okay? Number of days. Ni lapit hani kung kung gazing kali number 15. We know n. N jungi de kanu n jungi. U n jungi uday 30. Then we know n that is 30. What else do we know? We know the EP jungi. We know the EP jungi uday kat no EP jungi arspa and then that terms the arspa san pose ar lai spa and so on ni lai pose ni din nanti temen tang la ben wat we kat no ting kau dan kaman sila hadin lai pose ni n divided by 2 that is 2a plus n minus 1 d to udi ni la ben tek budi kat no udi jungi day 50 okay that is n day 30 divided by 2 2 into A day or spa. Okay, plus N day 30 minus 1. Udi jung ini sanpo. Okay, that is insasa 15 cancel. That is 400 plus 29 into 50. So 29 into 50 long kan no? Then can lupa 09 are 0, 02 are 0, 59 are 45, 25 are 10, 14, 0, 5, 4, 1450. 15 kan ini 400 plus 1450. Lepas buat 400 0, 5, 8, 1850. So 1850 pada kena equals to 50 into 1850. The into 15 kan no? 5 0 are 0, 5 5 are 25, 5 8 are 40, plus 2 long 42, 5 1 are 5, 9. 1 0 are 0, 1 5 are 5, 1 8 are 8, 1 1 are 0, 5 7. Kani kan long 17. What are you? Are punyo hajar hapsio. Punyo hajar nyo spa sampo. Kata ka penalty ba open slam kat no? Open slam are like po. See, therefore the contractor has to pay rupees 27,750 for a penalty of 30 days. Sorry pala, kakat ka video. Actually nga ada calculate mo. Tingin nila ka na kaway. Kakat ka na video na. I'm sorry. The number 16, okay? The number 16 ko ang no. Let me just explain you again. Ko ang number 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prices. Ko angkum no, kadang kata ka sum means kadang kata ka pisa nyo sparking ka, okay? Te ko angkum no, kan sa siya ay yaki kita, kan sa siya ay give 7 cash prize to students. Mungkin kita kiba maybe kiba pass bah po mo academic performance mo, kiba pass bah kanya po ka exams, okay? Let's say ki pass bah exam ki angkum no, te kita kiba pass bah exam kiba yo hado position 7 means first, second, third, fourth, fifth hado 7 kumta terter. Te ki angkum no kin sa ay pisay ki. Kin sa ay pisay ki. To first student unyo kat no, unyo kat second student. Kinam yo akum ju pada ni yo namar first un pe na ka second denam de to mentangin puli kum no pada for the overall academic performance kong if each cash prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. Kalau kum no lada maybe na ta kanyos pa maybe ta let's see menta do we know how much uyo ta first prize? We don't know denam de tamba ka kum no tamba ka tarang duna ka position jong p if each cash prize kalong no 20 less tumot kanduna 20 less ya ka ka preceding price means ya kata ki bayo shwaning kong obviously da pa piyo price ubaning kong do mana banyo bankin perkat yo you bayo ning kong nin dai ubaning kong unyo kambon dinam dai kong no find the value of each of the prices kamot you ang simple ta minta kong no han ya kong ta let's see minta undan of first ubayo first price, okay? Let the first price be let namar bling hablan yim tu first price yo no dai let the first price be you bx dapat ladapin su thu an batai fi in simple term the let's see menta kadang kata cash price new spotting ka, okay? Te kadang new spotting ka te ong let's see ngong yipi ngong uta ubayo ning kong dai ubayo ning kong onyo shi spotting ka, okay? Yo on sa yo shi spotting ka te kum no ngong kata ka jingkali ka kan ka jingkali ngi ko ong no da ubaning ko yo shi spotting ka uba ar unyo shi spotting ka hi unyo ar shi spotting ka unyo kom no unduna a putting ka yo proceeding means iba adap ai ni ai ning ko yo baning kong ara ai shi spotting ka yo baning kong uba ar pa unyo ka no unduna ar putting ka na baning kong that is 100 minus you 100 minus 20 din dai temu uba ar unyo ka no unyo prapo tu ubalai pa rin no te ladin prapo lada uba aro yo prapo ubalai unyo ka no minus 20 piang that is 60 dinam dai ka question kanang kumta te second pa de unyo ka no second price lada first price uyo let's say lada first price uyo x second price pa de unyo ka no x ayu minus 20 dinam dai unong minus unduna dinam dai tu third price pa unyo ka no third price unyo third price nyo x minus 20 minus 20. Okay, balay. Naka ada second price uyo kan ni. Unduna biang amuni second price or third price minus 20. That is equal to kano x minus 40. And so on hado 7 price kin sa yo. Then lay. Tabenta tang nang ni la ya la ban yo wei ya kila ong pa kita nyongot tu en dong ila yo en jungi di kano en jungi mo dei jungi di 7 mo nyongot em kina total nyongot kita sayo price te mentau en ila tem number of terms temen tang yo so ida udi dong ila yo udi pa undi kano udi jungi kai undi 20 undi tang 20 undi tang 20 undi minus 20 pele you number ni hap minus kata dang q kata dang minus obviously ding shim a2 minus a1 shibet sepetnya sami minus 20 ni de tu nama kajing kili kalau ong lupa 20 less mon udi jungi ni kano minus 20 okay I hope so kisu tu adon tu dia mentang dan kam sayu e mentang yang ayo ep nang ni ep jungi inde kano ep jungi that is x minus 20 the x minus 40 and susuan hado x hado 7 term okay temen tala da x ngilayo u e ngilayo de namde the sum jungi ka total jungi ka pisah ka dekat no s7 equals to kano n divided by 2 that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d temen ta s7 ngilayo s7 di kano 700 u n jungi pa di kano 7 into 2 or divided by 2 sorry u e jungi di x plus n jungi di kano 7 minus 1 u d jungi di minus 20 okay 700 the what you are confused you can minus 20 okay then ang rational kala kampong na 7 which is equal to 100 okay 100 that is ning kala 200 ma then ning kala 2x plus u 6 u minus 20 okay 6 into 20 long kano 20 6 0 are 0 2 6 are 12 minus ma kano that is 2x plus I have bracket minus 120 in a range not to bracket 2x plus into minus long you minus 120 and then tadang arash ni kula you di aspa re uday aspa tadang arash ni kula you ukala positive di negative tangki bala drama 2x kaningan kala no lai spa po tadang arash ni kula divide x tumut x ni dekat no 2 1 carry 1 to 6 to 0 mud x ni dekat no di spa real po okay tangin na yo mud first price unyo kan no u ep jungi ko ong pen iru am the value of each of the prices are you to ep jungi mud la yo ep jungi dekat no ep jungi de baning kong yo spa po uba r pada that is a1 uba yo first uba yo r ba second pada undai kan no 160 minus you 160 minus 20 kan long 160 bi kan kan long no kan no 100 and you 140 telada only 140 minus you 20 take along you that is 120 and then long his pa then next put long ano kan long trapo when you under po ado so po the way our life so san dia nyo maka total cash price kan ni kita yo okay cash price bikin saya kita kan nyongon okay I hope so pila so tu aron to and pues second next that is the number you that is the number 6 number 17 the number 17 part pinya number 17 ka jingkali ko ong in a school students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? Okay. Kaong kumla kani kajang kali kaong kadan kata ke school in the school ka students thought of planting trees kita kikna kilang kuno kimut kin mo ban plant trees kin okay in and around the school ban ne no ban reduce ke air pollution kin means kajing jabo mo bakat tadang dan dia tengit kata kadang pangat kali air jingi dai to kaong no ki kwa ban thung ding kat kum kai ban pendunai kai kata air pollution okay te ham ta pergi ong kumno hadian kong it was decided that the number of trees kala kila decide mo ba kata ka number of trees means kila khat kin mo ba kita kin number of trees that each section of each class to mo kata ka school kalong kumno kadon to minta kumo ngai pimenta shop class 1 ni class 2 okay class 1 ni class 2 they each and every class ba kidon section kin maybe ka section A B C hadu ka ba pidon section D ka ba pidon tama kadon kumno kadon section ta school that each section of each class will plan means baru kau man ke section that means wala kadang ke class 1 kadang lightly southly section that means baru kita section kita plan be ke dia so man ke section kom dek kom ke class to kom no then will be the same as the class. Kemudian will be the same as the class. Kemudian ni mod cuba mentap syong class 1. Mod speed section lightly, let's say A, B, but C. Tapi syong you pin plan means ka section A kan plan. Cuba di class 1 kum IP on plan away dia. Kat kum ka class bapi syong same as the class the kalau ma mod kat kum ka class bapi syong in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plan 1 3. Kum ba hang ni kum no a section of class 1 will plan 1 3. A section of class 2 will plan 2 3s and so on to class 12. Mod kan ni ka school kadang yun na class 1 hadu class you kadang hadu class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. Kadang kat nanti section lightly ki section A, B, but C. Lam ni no. How many trees will be planted by the students? Means kat nanti ki dia kini plan barok kini ki ken na. Taman tangat tep hani ka jingkli ka ongkom no. Kadang ka class you class 1. Okay, class 2, class 3, tetet haduk class you, class 12. Class 12 denam day. Haduk class 12. The each and every class kini kilong kumno kini ki class barok ki class kidan you section, that is section A, section B, but section C kadan. Okay. Then let's say menta ka class 1. Ka class 1 kashin ka kum ka class em gin thung ka class 1 kan plan away udiang class section ru kan ya mar away udi. Maka total kat kum ka class 1 kan day 3. Denam day. Tentang nila yung AP nang turo din nam day. AP jungi yo. Terus A1 that is 3. Class 2 kan plan maka no 2 2 2. That is kan no 6. Kan no 6 next. Kan day 3 coba let's say 3 3 3 3. Ini section 3 class 3 I mean. That is 9. 9 and so on had 12. The 12 on 12 12 12. Okay. Kan no 36. Okay. The dot hado lipo hin. Menta hang ni ngila yo A, we already got this day. Ngila yo A, ngila yo N, ngila yo N, and di kan no N jungi day 12. Denam day N jungi day 12. We got D also. D jungi day 6 minus 3, that is 3. Okay. Okay. Then hari ni yo A there, we got A. A jungi day 3 and last term that is AN. AN ngila tep la L ngila to or ma or L. Udi kan no 36. Okay, I hope so. Please throw it on to. Tementa ngila ban use kata ko formula. We know the last term day. Ngila ban use to ko way root. Tamahang ni ngita ka last term that is 12. Denam day 36. Denam day. The initial kata ko formula. SEU as 12 that is N jungi day kat no. N jungi into N formula A plus L. Okay, where as 12 and Y that is N. N jungi day kat no kat total to mo kat no tali ki ding kila thung baro ani ka way ka class. N jungi day 12 divided by 2 ni no 6. A jungi day kat no A jungi day 3. L jungi day 36. Okay, na yo ang ni that is 6 into 3 plus 36 long 39. Okay, so 39. The 39 into you 39 6 9 akat no 6 9 are 54. 6 3 are 18 plus 5 long kat no along 23. Mod aspa lipo south liki dieng kia thung. Therefore fin angka not liki dia. Therefore the trees planted by the students are 234 trees. Okay, I hope so. Class to the next can place number 18. Number 18 but ko angkom no ini. Number 18 ko ang ini pa. Basically, a spiral is made of successive semicircles with center alternately at A and B, starting with center at A of radii 0.5 centimeter, 1.0 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2.0 centimeter as shown in figure 5.4. Okay, ang insapit ka figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircles? Take you pi equals to the mod kan something kadang ka circle. Dia mod ka circle kadang ka formula jong ka circle. Kadang ka formula jong ka circle ngitem. Tangan spin EP dia finish so thok kum ma. Tangin pet saya taka jeng draw. Kata jeng draw. Kasih minta ni. Baik kalau ang lupa ke hint of successive semicircle, that is L1 plus L2 plus U L3 L4 and so on with center AB. Center udah U A baru B. Okay, AB respectively. Ini ke diagram ini tay. Kita ke diagram kalau kuno look. We know kat kung kasing clear kalau ini semicircle. The PE amangnya kani ka we semicircle ka create and then what are these? Pada mo ka create sa kaway pa ka semicircle. Adin sa kaway pa means ka create kaway R, Lai, Sao, haduk on totally, but come kajingkili ni kala ong. And then, a spiral is made of successive semicircle. What a spiral is made means, kita mga to copy pi balong spiral balong kalan kum to. Di kalong kum no, kalong in this form dinam day kum to, pin kalan kum to, silong am kum to. Di ka ong kum no, hakan ni pwede kalong kum no, kum kan ka circle. Di dapat na jong kalong kum ka circle, okay? Di ka ong no, it's made of successive semicircle. So let's say man nga draw ko way ka semicircle hang ni. Dinam day nga draw. Da nga draw, ta ka create biang nang ni siya tay ka create biang siya ni. PM lah create kani kaway kelas na biang semicircle. That means kani kaway L1 ni I, kani ka L2, kani ka L3 kato pangila I tu mo hint hala I lupa ini. Baik kini kini. Okay, as lang 1 and 2. Tekin yang kita bagi deki ki perimeter. Kamot yung perimeter. Perimeter kamot kita kini ki outer, kini ki circle lah ni. Kalau ka circle ni what we see in circle is that ki circumference. Ki circumference zong ka circle. Taka circumference zong ka circle ka formula ka dikum no. Itu 2 pi r kadika circumference. Temen tahang ni pre, it's not a total circle dinam de kam deka total. Tambah kada you shiteng. Temut ni have divide away do 2. Tu ni bo ni cancel. Means ka formula zong kini tangano pi r. Tekam no ini kan pada kata beleng idon kami kani. Tepet. Ani ko ong yang kom no with centers alternatively L A and B. Temut ka center zong kikan deka no. Center hang ni A bak ni center B. Ni A ni center B. Okay, kizang kiyat siya ng tama, kiyat with center A and B. Starting with center A of radii. Mo uni center A siya ni ubi kadun ka A o radii. That is 0.5. Okay, teman tangi draw am sa kani ka circle PM kani kasi semi circle pa dia. Mo kan draw biang na uni siyang ni kan draw biang. Tapi EM kalang kadang mikis ni am unong nak syukum ju nang ni siya ni am ningkong menta ula extend siya ni biang dai. Denam dai ula extend biang siya ni. Ula extend siya ni biang undi sakat no menta undi 1.0. Teman tangi lah yo mo dangi siya L1 plus L2 plus L3 kalau ong tata hadu L13 means hadu 13 lai pokat lai kali kanima dapat ngan sabat tai maybe kato pinai confused teman tapat udan ta radius that is 0.5 okay radius 0.5 ter 1.0 ter hadu 2.0 cm and so hadu antali as shown in figure 5.4. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircle? Means ang asna kini tatar hadu L1 hadu L13 means ang asna kini ki circle hadu kalai tali ka no ka total jong ki. Okay, teman ta pa de kum no nginyo yo EP. How will we get EP? We nginyo yo 0.5 pi. Balay yung 0.5 pi? Teman ta EP layo that is 0.5 pi. Balay yo kat kum kaniya kan ma EP ka circumference te pi radius ni latep. Then they radius they kan no 0.5. The next EP pun they kan no 1.0 pi. Next biang no 1.5 pi. Next undang biang 2.0 pi. That means pi into radius. And radius into pi. Kajo imod fito. So okay, I hope to feel as to around to. Teman-teman ilayo aki radius. Terus haduk kan no L13 ini mo. Kat no tamo ini 1. Okay, kat total. Dengan sim kum no hang ni menta. Kum pengikin normally hi all those things. Dengan ni ayo d dan kam. The n pa dengan ayo. N di kan n 13. Kan mau kat atali tamo kindan kita circle. Udi jung ni pun di kat no. In sim ayo unya but dia unya. Denam dai that is 1.0 pi minus 0.5 pi. Tekan kala kat no ka answer hang ni. Ka answer jung kan no 0.5 pi. Okay, 0.5 pi. Marudi lang yayo, irong inayo. Tingin naman buo biday. Direct, okay. That is SU as 13, which is equal to 13 divided by 2. Okay, 2, ejungi dekat no ejungi 0.5 pi. Okay, and ko angkum no plus n. N jungi dekat no n jungi. N jungi day 13 minus 1. Udi jungi day 0.5 pi. Teka jingkali ro kalau ang something regarding upai. Dinam day. Kalau something regarding upai, kung no upai jing day 22 by 17 thought direct itu, kina not 22 by 7 into bansok man kenyang 2 into 0.5 into you 22 divided by 7 plus you 12 I bracket by 0.5 into 22 divided by 7. Okay, pila banek kum dia or you can do this. Pina I ba ikan ni ngin lek kum no or dia baca ni mah kan ni pila ni berfinat kan ni kalau long very lengthy then they pila ben thobit they you multiply tang uni by uni to 5 at 10 to the start 1 to 0 0 so 1 1.0 pi then they ka kamning kwat kan ni kanang 12.0.5 pi Pila benek kum ni ro kan kam ning kot kasam jong fi. Kat ba fi song sok ma fi. If you want to calculate kum ni ro kan kam jrong shu kan ni pede. If it's easier if you ben ken kum ni ma. 5 pi plus you 12 into 0.5 to 10 day 5.56 into 0 to 0 kan long kat no sorry 0 kan long 6 0 kan long 0 0 ayu yin I kam no 0.6 something ham day the point ni dan kam remove no point ngin thought 0.6 kan long then multiply the way yin multiply the 10 then multiply the 10 kan mau kan answer ni kan mi 6 bit. Okay, we can write directly 6 bit. Okay, I hope so. Piece of two in multiply to 10 there. They can know 6 pi. Okay, then you remove no 0 in ala anya. That means nothing here. There, minta that's a 2 on here. Only but only plus starts no 7. Then they 1 into 7 pi. Okay, the minta you ala ban thought no you can hear but coming cut kasam can come so in the nima by 2 into. But if you confused, fill up and let go to bang on pi hang nika step do. Or fill up a net kum niro. Kat office mo 7 into 22 divided by 7. Uni cancel. Uni 11. The 11 into 13. 3 1 at 3. 3 1 at 3. 1 1 1. 3 4. 143. Mo answer ni. 143. Mo the flap plus ikini baru ki L1 L2 L3. Baru ka total jongki ka jongkan ni ka circle kan long kan no his pa sa po. Okay. Then la second next question. That is number you kan number 19 no. Number 19. Number 19 pa kaong kumangi ka jinkle. Number 19 kaong ingi. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. Then ke theta 200 logs that are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row, in the row next to it, and so on. See figure kani. Then how many rows are the 200 logs placed, and how many logs are in the top row? Teko aku no. Udon ta log. Log means kini ding mo kini ding tiba pelun ki balong pelun. Kilong mo kidan arspatali kini ding mo. Kidan arspatali. Kini ding am kini arspatali ki ding am. Lasha please ki in such a way mo. Bakin nong no bakin not half mo. Bakin not half. Nama da fibo accordingly te ula ban half mo sini ta da pem. Ulong shan iwi pit runa no hang ni. Da don hang ni art totally hanin dan kat kanda hanin dan kat pra. Den dan kat nyo ter kan yan. Den de. Te ko angkum no pada kajing kali ni. Ko ang in how many rows are 200 logs? Please means kat not liki rows means kat not liki u what mo ni? Ha what yo n nang ngim tip. You n do we know n? No, we don't know n. Namar beli yo ko ang ni ha what kita kat not liki rows means kat not liki lan. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ne 20 ne 30 ne kat antali. Tambah bagi long itu total jong kita no be aspa. Tambah ni latip us am ni latip sn ni latip sn ni kano aspa. Then the total zonki. The ko ang no haka first log. That means haka log ka baning kong. That is A1. Kani lam no A1. Kadang kat no tali R totally. Haka A2 kadang kat no kadang kat kana tali. Tamud ang tuang ilayo A ilayo o AP. Then the AP zongi de kat no AP zongi number 19. AP zongi ngitip udan iyo 20 udan 19 dan 18 and so on. Ada balong tu. Ada balong katama. Ada A yung ngitip lamang iha buat may katakan number of terms. Tapi apa dia? What else do we know hang ni? Ngitip na ilayo yung ni ilayo. Ilayo. UN ni ha what UN din namde. Udiru ilayo that is minus 1 ilayo din namde. And UA USN no ilayo that is arspa. Tapi tang ilala ban subukan am yung katuka formula that is SN equals to N divided by 2A plus N minus 1. That is D. Okay. Tamta SN ni natin pikano R spa N divided by 2 which is equal to 2. UA di kano di 20 plus N minus 1 be D di minus 1. Okay. Tinggal ayo oni po sini flala ban multiply na sini ni na sini into 2 equals to N. Kalau ni 40 plus ni N. Flala ban multiply ni po ni na plus into minus long you minus n. Nakan mau thwa minus into minus long you long plus 1. Okay. The answer yung ay ato tingin akin 400 kanilang long n that is 40. The plus into minus long you minus n plus into plus long plus 1. Tingin ayo ang to. Tingin sa pa that is n. Tingin ni plus na gibala uni bu ni long 41 minus n. Mo tingin multiply no ikini. The 400 equals to you 41 into n long 41 n plus into minus long minus n square. Okay. the where kan ngila aban ra no unit ni lang 400 un kala minus 41n unin kala plus n square kan ma ngala ong ipi mak do ba n square la ban long negative so ini equal ke 0 the n square minus 41n plus 400 equals to 0 lấy kan ngi dan kam wat yu n ni dan kam wat yu n you have to use splitting the middle term the splitting the middle term ini kam no in sim unia dan 1 ba ni mod danga multiply kita ki atli number anyo ayo sauspa kita ki atli number ma and lada kanong plus mo 400 and lada nga plus dan ni minus kita ki atli number anyo ayo minus 41 the way ta ki atli ki number let's take mo the way ta atli number tingin calculate in use ayo in 1 LCM that is 200 200 250 225 that is 5 temen tahan kini ano kung mangisil man ka pot hing ini multiply iwi ini pet ba unu balong wala ban minus mo bangin minus 41 na plus na minus whatever it is ngin sim buay to man sim ta 2 a 4 2 a 8 2 a 16 okay niyo 16 bangin sim 16 but 5 a 25 dadang plus kini ki atli number ngayon ni em let's say ngayon ni em ayo 41 day tambah udah benda itu minus 41 day you can fix it here where n square minus 41 n plus house bar equals to 0 bila ane no n square I know habar ni minus I know ni dekat no it is 16 n bila menong mo 16 n plus u plus 25 n okay plus 25 n kanong plus house bar equals to u 0 okay I hope so it's to around to temen tahan ni laban wangi ki sign that is n 16n minus plus long minus 25n the minus into minus long you long plus mo sign in me you minus tingin laban long 16 but way 25 day long plus house pa equals to 0 okay I hope so plus 2 around to tingin siya mi common hani that is n the n square and sa n sa angin sa 16 hani day n minus 16 kawin na ayo the hangning yap shim do a ru a number bangan ayo ani 25 do 25 ikan day the minus into minus long you long plus n the minus into plus long minus the 25 into 16 yo ani n sauce pa yo day nam day into 16 day nam day to a barang sa am dan sa issue day equals to 0 to wing yo n minus 16 or yo away day equals to 0 but n minus 25 equals to 0 where n equals to 16 or n equals to 25. Mentahan ni n you are artly. Tangba, can we take both n? Imla amsim both n. How will we do that? In a pet yang ni, how will we show mo? Tingin a pet, how will we check there? Let's check the kani. A16, the ulong. Imla abandi artly day. Kumno ini bu artly. Habaki don specific tamo. The pet in a pet kumno. How will we check whether uno n uday? There ini shim to formula kumang isit shim a plus n minus 1 into d. Is n A16 the A pengitan nemo A we dekat no 20 plus n dekat no 16 minus 1 d pada day minus 1 okay that is 20 plus u 15 minus 1 kanong kat no 20 plus 15 into 1 long minus 15 the kanong kat no plus into minus long minus 15 the answer yan mi ano plus 5 day. Tingin siya nakatake away pan. Balingan ang AP can bro at least that you will know. Tangan sa AP balay mo. The 25 minus 1. Udi yung minus 1 equals to 20 plus 24. Ay bracket minus 1. The 20. The plus hanin dong minus 24. The pet hangin. Plus into minus long ayo. Long minus. The 20 minus 24. Tekan mi answer ka no? Minus 4. Kan minus 4 ula ban long A25 jangi de pet men ka hapor ba piken ye kini udun oi ununu sai nang ni to mi bi u khamret ka dam mi isngi de nang umi uret de nam de tamba unong thai negative khadu da pa yu em unum na long negative hangni takadaw minum shim unum de ru eu en jangi num de 25 bale eu nam mar baka answer jangi ka tum kani ka answer kamir kanum mir negative da kaya ter hadu 5 em kadan kanu kanan hadu minus 5 Then they can lock had on minus 5. You don't get a lock had on minus 5. That means the issue can that them then day. The one got you can they got no can the number of logs in from you na top row can they you can they sun mode kadan got no kadan Santali hakani mut dengan la please kini baro ko ong mfi ko ong in how many rows are the logs please kanu tali ki row ngitem wen jungi de kanu mut wen jungi means where are lies our san ring yo pra hadu khat hin rio kan de den de hadu khat ndo tali ki logs ngindon tangba hani ha bajrong ko ong how many logs are in the top row pade means hakani ka bajrong do pibu ha bakut am kanun kan tali nakin ibadabu aspa tali kandon santel I hope so pila thua hadong to then poise the next question that is the number 20 okay the number 20 ka kade kuno the number 20 ko ang hi in a potato race a bucket is placed in the starting point which is 5 meter from the first potato and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. See figure. The competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance of the competitor has to run? To pick up the first potato and second potato, the distance is in meters. Run by a competitor is whatever it is. Kadang kata ka potato race means pimare pilishim potato kan pili kami ta pili bat lishim ni catch lishim mo kita ki potatoes li pelang hataka bucket mo at the starting point means kakani ka bucket kadi ka starting point jong ka okay mo kani ka bucket kadi ka starting point jong ta ka ban you mencim kita ki potatoes telada hani ka bucket kadi ka starting point ko which is 5 meters from the first potato tamot nakani ka bucket sa uni di potato mo ni dot balain to mo nang ni sani kandan iyo kandai ka kandan ka no ka jingjai san kilometer okay san meter kandan 5 meters kan jingai kani bucket sa kani ka chini potato ta ko ong kom no and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line tang uni nakani ka bucket u kham jingai u di san meter tama kini kiwe means kini kiwe ki lai ko ong no ka kani ka halbi shem am khabi catch mi way potato mun ka shem nang ni hang ni shwa te nang ni hang ni ka cover and distance te mo nang ni hang ni pa bakalit kaya san meter te perbuan pai ru kaya san meter te mo mentang la yo mo ep juni yes we got an ep mo ka total distance baka cover pa bakalit shem ni potato te let's see an example tin si thua so let's see menta ma pi don hang ni ma let's say pi don hang ni ong pi don hang tu tenang tu sani ngong pipi mare ani sani ngong pia bishim kata katiar kadang san mitar mo tengong kom no ngong klik shim ka wei na mang balai pinam la ban shim si sin shim ngong pishim kom no shim ka wei ngong pipi shim ka wei pinam la ban shim si sin shim ngong nang ni sani pinil shim ka long san mitar tada piwan pai beng ru sani ka nyat an san mitar temot ka distance of pipi cover pa pipi shim kata katiar kan nong kom no kan long 5 plus 5 deram dai or pila ban thok no kalong 5 plus 5 means 5 san meter ba 1 kalong ka no 4 meter pila ya denam dai tilani pila ban no ngaya san arsin means 5 2 into 5 pila ban no arsin to mo 5 kalong ka no tan hi dai 10 meters denam dai te pila ban thok ni or pila ban thok ni kat ba pisong tho tengo ong ni pi kadon biang pinya salai mita nang ni hani pin shime kata katia nang ni na starting point shini kan ni lai mita nang ni lai mita min nang ni starting point lo ni pe kan ni kan no kan ni pramita rin dai te means tang ba pilit nang ni sya kan ni kan bam kan no that is 5 plus 3 dinam dai 5 plus 3 kan no 8 means tang katarut tang ba yu tang ba pi len te paron pai pat kan no 8 plus 8 dinam dai which is 16 ani pla banong 8 2 means arsin means kawai ka balet kawai ka ba 1 that is 16 the ter pinyat ni kata ka distance pinyat temot uep hani la yo uep jungi dekat no uep jungi wait 10 next one is 16 what about next pa dia next one day bang kom no nang ni hang ni da 3 meters hang ni runyat kan mare kan isim tau pan nang ni sini ke 5 3 kan long kat no 11 into 11 11 plus 11 kan long then that means at that is 22 next. Okay, I hope so guys thought temen tang ila EUD hani ula dan dai ila yo something nang ni dekan dai ta kajing ke lingin aku muka 40 there are 10 potatoes in the line mot kat no la n we know n jungi ni kat no n jungi mot spot leki pan mot spot leki pan dan mot n jungi ni kat no undai chat ila temot ka habishim kita spot leki pan The computer starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato. Mo kazang na ni bucket, kasi may uba dyan siya. Hadin kayo, run back with it, kamare ni ka tap, kamare biyang siya ni ka tap biyang, ka run back to the next potato, runs to the potato, drop it, and then ka yat mare. Ka ong kumno pa dahil basically, what is the total distance the computer has to run? Tamon, hapol bakalit, kawan siya, ado siya potuli ka ni, ka no kata ka distance, bakala mare, kala iyo mo, kala isim niya kata ka, upan. Tangin isim ha ni, udirong natin that is 6, okay? Uirong natin. Ayun naman din. What distance means ka total distance ka no kalawa. That is S 10 equals to 10 divided by 2 where 2 A di ka no di po plus N jungi di ka no N jungi di 10 minus 1 udi jungi di 6. Okay? S10 ni what do S10 din naman. That is ni cancel sa 5 by 20 plus ni sa ka no 9 into 6 long ka no 9 6 are 54. Din naman. That is 5 into ka no 20 plus 54 long no long 74. Okay, the 74 into you 5 long no 5 4 at 20 carry 2 5 7 at 35 36 37. Nice pa new po mitan. Therefore the distance kan no therefore what is the total distance the computer has to run? Therefore the total distance the computer has to run kadai kan no kadai nice pa hin new po. I hope so pinsay to kata. Okay, kahin ka no pick up the first potato and the second potato. Kung mga batay pi kaniya mo kahin kala batay ni ba kum no pinsim pi kaniya bangal batay stay kini baro mantan. The same thing he ka iba you. Lala what you ya kaniya pala most of you might be confused. The taiwan sa tuwi kaniya format. Le fla polish buli. Penwan kum no pi na ya ang pinsa sa tuwi kaniya mo. Teman na po siya kabakod. Diyan kaniya exercise. That is exercise 5.3. And next paring in select next video that is exercise 5.4. Diyan ka chapter 5. And then lapis to na ikan video and click the like, share, comment, and subscribe. And then click the bell icon if you miss updates related iki videos ki bang post. Thank you.